if you are a college student, it's your right to focus on building the network and growing your communication channels without any hassle. The professional network is one of the most critical aspects in everyone's life, especially for college students, because they can tap into their network to get more opportunities for career, employment, startup launch, entrepreneurship, and so on. Therefore, to make the best out of a network as a college student, you must understand the perfect ways it can be done without increasing the chances of failure. The following article will talk about some of the best techniques through which network building will become much easier for you. The first and foremost way to start networking is to incorporate the principles and protocols into your daily schedule. There is no right time to build a network. Opportunities do not come by knocking at your door and alerting you much earlier. Instead, you will find networking opportunities in every single activity or event that takes place daily. For example, when you are asked to gather students from other batches for a college event, you can start communicating with different people regularly and share your views and opinions to influence them to come on board. This way, forming the network won't be difficult for you. Do not stay aloof from campus activities and only participate in festivals or significant events. You cannot build a network when focused on big things instead of small and feasible opportunities. For example, cleaning the campus garden might sound like small work, but it offers excellent networking opportunities for you as a college student. Besides, cleaning the garden actively will send a good message to people you want to motivate and inspire, performing the network. After all, actions speak louder than words, and if you start participating in different campus activities without compulsion or force, you will portray your eagerness to form a network. Most colleges have clubs like coding clubs, cricket clubs, debate clubs, quiz clubs, literature clubs, drama clubs, etc. Even if you are not involved with all the co-curricular and extracurricular activities, joining these clubs and learning more about the students won't do any harm. Instead, you will be able to learn what others think of certain activities or communication channels and fulfill any gap in your networking strategies. You will never be able to form your network or expand it unless and until you pay attention to the pain and problems of all the members within your network. Similarly, you also have to understand their skills and talents to ensure they are appreciated for their contributions to the development and functions of the network. If you want to build a good network for having a golden career as a college student, the best way will be to launch and develop an online presence. By this, we do not mean to launch a website or application under your name. Instead, we mean that you can reach out to more people through your network by having social media profiles, a LinkedIn account, and so on. You can build up proper communication channels with appropriate user profile optimization techniques and engagement with people you don't know. Still, they can offer you more opportunities in terms of your career. Do not hesitate to make the first move. You are eager to form the network, and that's why you will be the central point of the channel. As a result, if you don't show any eagerness to build the network stronger or expand it further, you cannot motivate or inspire other members within the network. The lack of inspiration and motivation can create a wrong impression on your group members and even make them leave the network for any other channel. Here are the benefits of networking in college and provides you with some of the better chances, so let's take a look. Results in big opportunities. Provides proper career guidance and internship leads. Helps in getting a jumpstart on your career. Referrals help you in grabbing the required attention. Keeps you updated about various opportunities. Makes you confident and open-minded. Some of the important things that you must remember for effective networking in college are listed below. Try to make the first move. Remember the names of people. Be updated on your social media. Get in touch with your friends and family. Join or meet up with your alumni. Try to connect with your professors. Join various organizations to make good connections. Since now you are